Ano gusto niyo mo?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient, sir. Ay, no. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So, may assisting physician. May gusto na pala. May pasin.
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw talaga.
Decide siya.
Yung pamilya siya. Deadline.
Decide siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general cameras.
So, palapitin ang mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay. Double time, double time.
Ding, i-release mo ang media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General na nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw
na,
ng hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang lang, para
natin.
makita ng camera. Clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veterans lang. Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared to the Medical Center in Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si BP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILD Remulla. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILD Remulla,
yun din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Victoria from SILD Remulla, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Beto de la Rosa, Senator Annie Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all permanent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILD, John Bicumul. Ma'am, assurance yun?
I don't give you assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness, dito naman sasakay ka naman sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag
BP.
sila sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni BP. Kasama niyo po si BP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni BP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, diba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Andiyan naman si BP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaanan. Ay, alam na yun.
BP, baka ma'am. Paano, ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Go.
Hindi ako baka.
Malabote.
Wala yun, wala yun. Tira, tira. Bangin nyo guys. Nakalhook na. Thank you.